Is your MetaQuest stuck on a black screen or refusing to power on at all? It is incredibly stressful when your expensive headset feels like a paperweight right when you want to play. Don't worry, I am going to show you exactly how to jumpstart your Quest and get back into VR right now. Welcome back to TechVibes. I am your tech expert friend here to help you fix your gear without the headache. Most MetaQuest power issues are caused by a deep software freeze, a completely drained battery, or a glitchy proximity sensor. These are high-performance devices that can sometimes get stuck in a boot loop or a sleep state that they cannot wake up from on their own. Let's dive into the fixes. Step 1. Perform a hard restart. Hold down the power button for a full 30 seconds. Do not let go until you see the Meta logo appear on the screen. This forces the hardware to cycle its power regardless of the current software state. Step 2. Use the official power brick. Third-party USB ports on computers or low-wattage phone chargers often do not provide enough juice to wake a dead Quest battery. Plug into the original wall adapter and wait 30 minutes. Step 3. Check the proximity sensor. There is a small sensor between the lenses. If it is blocked by a third-party face cover or a smudge, the headset might think it is not being worn and will refuse to turn on the displays. Step 4. Charge the headset while it is off. Sometimes the Quest tries to boot while charging and fails because the battery is too low. Keep the power button held down until it fully shuts off, then let it charge for an hour. Step 5. Inspect the charging port. Use a wooden toothpick to gently clear out any lint or debris from the USB-C port. Even a tiny bit of pocket lint can prevent the charging pins from making a solid connection. Step 6. Try a different USB-C cable. If the LED light on the side of your headset is not glowing when plugged in, your cable might be frayed or broken. Swap it out for a high-quality data cable to rule this out. Step 7. Trigger the boot menu, hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time for about 10 seconds. If the black and white menu appears, select exit and boot the system using the volume keys. Step 8. Check the LED color code. A blinking red light means the battery is critically low. A solid orange light means it is charging. If you see no light at all, the headset is not receiving any power from your outlet. Step 9. Factory reset via the mobile app. If your headset is on but the screen is black, open the MetaQuest app on your phone. Go to Devices and select Factory Reset to wipe any corrupt firmware that is blocking the boot process. Step 10. Let the headset cool down. If the Quest was left in a hot car or used for a long session, it may have triggered a thermal shutdown. Place it in a cool, dry area for 30 minutes before trying to power it on again. Here is a pro tip for MetaQuest users. If your headset keeps turning itself on in the case and draining to 0, disable the auto wake feature in the power settings. This stops the proximity sensor from accidentally waking the device when the lenses are covered. If you face any difficulty getting your MetaQuest to turn on, please leave a comment below. I check the comments constantly and I will reply to you within 1 hour. If these tips brought your headset back to life, please like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. Your virtual adventure is back on track. I will see you in the next one.